Hello friends, you might have watched my calligraphy clips in my YouTube channel during the last 13 years. As some of you remember me, my name is Hamidreza Ebrahimi. I started learning Persian style of calligraphy in 1982 and I have been teaching that style for 29 years. Since I was interested in learning Latin calligraphy, I started Copperplate and Gothic in 1992 and I have been teaching both of them since 1997. As you know, I have uploaded a lot of my clips in YouTube in order to share my knowledge about Copperplate style with people. But since I thought those clips are not enough, I have decided to make 16 videos in order to teach you Copperplate style step by step. In this video, I'm going to introduce you the necessary materials and tools. If you look here, we have different forms of nib which were made in some different countries. For example, American, German, Russian, English, and even Japanese nibs. Although some of them look alike, but they are different and they were made in different companies, like these nibs. Some of these nibs are to some extent soft and some of them are a little hard. Writing with a hard nib may have some difficulties for you. For example, a hard nib may keep catching the fibers of the paper and making mess. Or writing with a soft nib may be difficult to be controlled. So you have to test them in order to see which one is better. I myself use this nib and this one. Also, I have written some of my artworks with these nibs. About pen holders, we have two different forms of pen holder. One of them is called a straight holder, which can be used with a straight nib like this one, or with an elbow nib like this one. But we have another form of pen holder which is called oblique pen holder. This pen holder can be used only with a straight nib in this form. About paper, you can use the paper which is used for printers in different sizes like A4 size or A3 size. If you send me an email, I can send you the PDF of these papers and you can print them easily. And about ink, we have two brands of ink which are very good for Copperplate. One of them is called Brause Water ink and the other one, which is produced in different colors, is called McCaffery. So please look forward to my clips and I will teach you step by step this style.